Okay, today we'll be showing how to pair the BlueHopper Remote. So first take it out of the packaging, and then you'll remove the plastic so you can turn on. And now you'll have your app open, and then you'll click on, which you'll see the beeping, which means it's turning on, and then you can search for the device if it's not showing up. We'll click on add devices, and then it'll search. And if it's taking some time, you can also click on again, see the beep, and it'll show up, and you'll drag that down. So here you can add it to the whole network level or a group. So in this case, we'll do at the network level. And just name this remote, and then add, and then done. And now you have the remote paired. So if you want to pair your remote actually into one of the groups, so you'll go ahead and delete the remote from the group. And if you're not sure, so you see that it reset it, but if you're not sure, you can also reset it by holding the on and off button down about 10 seconds, and then it'll reset. And then you can search for it again. And once again, if it's taking a little bit longer to search for the device, you can also click on again. And then drag it into a specific group. And this time we'll pick Roofline Digital and add. Done. And then now the remote will just control just the Roofline Digital group. Okay, we've paired back the remote into the network level. So now any controls done will be controlling both the roofline and the landscape lighting as well. So an important thing for the remote, so colors and whites and scenes will work for the landscape, but not the effects. Everything else will work. All the functions for the remote will work with the strip. Right, we are still releasing that feature for the landscape lighting. So here, once you have it paired, you just click on. If you already set a color, and then off, you can change colors, and then both will respond. You can reduce the brightness or increase it. You can change scenes, but in this case, since we don't have a scene already created, but it'll keep going down your list. So if you have 5 scenes, it'll keep going through those scenes as well. And you can control the speed for the roofline lighting. And then now you can also do the effects, whites, and you can control the speed and the patterns for them as well. So here we'll click on New Year's. So just the roofline will be working. So we'll go through the next effects, and then next, and then we'll keep going, and then you can keep changing the patterns for them. You can change the speed, and you can also just keep playing throughout the effects. Okay, for the effects, you can select your specific effect, and then you can also change the specific patterns for them. So it'll go through, and once you've selected your pattern, you want to increase the speed, you can decrease it, and you can also adjust the segments. So we'll increase the segments here, and also decrease.